Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT's assembly video. Today, we are going to assemble the motion-sensing gloves. Let's get started. First, after receiving the goods, take out the gloves and check if the acrylic is damaged. Turn the knob counterclockwise until it cannot be turned. Then insert the acrylic into the corresponding holes. Fix it with M2*8 self-tapping screws. Turn the knob counterclockwise until it cannot be turned, and then insert the acrylic into the corresponding holes. Fix it with M2*8 self-tapping screws. Install the remaining 3 fingers in the same way. Rotate the end of the thumb once to make it in the same state as the other fingers. And then you need to prepare by yourself 4 AA batteries and a pair of scissors. The first step, find this small Velcro and wrap it around your finger as shown in the video. It is particularly important to note that after wrapping the Velcro around the finger once, an extra 2 to 3 centimeters should be left to facilitate subsequent adjustments. Then insert the cut Velcro pieces into the corresponding acrylic fingers. Note that the rough surface of Velcro is on the inner circle. After putting it on the fingers, it is in a comfortable state that is neither too loose nor too tight. Insert the Velcro of the other 4 fingers in the same way. Insert the 5 fingers correspondingly and test if they fit. If you feel uncomfortable, you can adjust it to a state that makes you comfortable by yourself. The second step, stick the 2 pieces of foam to the positions shown in the video. Be careful not to block these 2 holes. The third step, install the shorter upside-down Velcro. Note that the Velcro side should face up, as shown in the video. Make sure your entire palm can be worn and adjust it to a comfortable state by yourself. The fourth step, install the battery holder. First, Insert the 4 prepared AA batteries. Be careful not to install the positive and negative terminals in reverse. Make sure the switch is facing upwards. Stick double-sided tape on the back of the battery holder. When installing, hold the short Velcro with your left hand. Note that the battery holder is pressed onto the Velcro surface. Insert the terminals of the battery holder into the control board. The 5th step. Install the longer upside-down Velcro. Make sure the Velcro side is facing up. Pass it through from top to bottom, as shown in the video. Then thread it out from the other end. Next comes the demonstration of the wearing steps. First, insert your palm through it, and then you can adjust the tightness of the Velcro yourself. Then, insert each ring into the corresponding finger in sequence. Finally, fix the longest Velcro on your wrist, as shown in the video.